Okay, I'm impersonating myself. I don't know really that much to do.
Act like a weirdo?
Eat my little buddies that I said I wouldn't eat.
Let's see how tiny those buddies are. How tiny are those buddies?
Oh, they're real tiny. You can't even see them that much.
I can see them fine.
May I have a gummy bear? You got, hey, Your Highness, may I have a wormy or a gummy bear?
There's no more wormies.
Oh.
It's under you.
Where?
Okay, are you impersonating yourself?
Yeah. She's being herself, man.
Pretty little babies. Please.
Okay.
I'm recording.
Okay.
I need all eyes on me. No attention on.
Shh. No.
Did she just get attitude?
No.
She just got attitude.
No, I didn't.
Let me go get it.
No! I Dallas, no!
Hey, this is Jessica, by the way. I turn a little bit psycho.
Okay.
Were you being mean to Dallas?
No.
Because that's what she told me you were doing to me and to her.
No!
I'm not nice.
No, go, please. No!
Don't pick up my Dallas's pillow. Look at me.
She's scared.
No!
Shut up.
Oh, my bad. I'm sorry. No!
I don't know if this is an act or something. But
No, I Dallas, no. No, just please, no.
Shut up!
No, please.
Shut
I
up!
sound like Bella, give me
You sound like Bella. I swear, you can't record.
Don't grab my head.
Shh. Coach is gonna come in here and see Jessica.
Okay. I'll be okay.
She's freaked out. I don't know if this is an act, but Dallas turned into Jessica. They always.
No.
You're gonna make her cry.
No. I didn't cry. I didn't.
You're crying.
No, I'm not. Oh, no, I'm not.
Okay, I'm gonna stop recording now.
I need you to come here, camera woman. She still got a little picture yet. She's afraid of me because I'm very mean. I can be very mean. I'm gonna turn back into Dallas, but I need you guys to go away. Okay.
You want me to turn off the camera?
Yes, please.
Okay, bye.
Bye.